Is real estate investing still safe? I mean, hey, we're in the middle of 2024. We hear all of these economists and billionaires saying we're about to hit a big crunch. Some people are saying that real estate is going to tank. It's going to get about a 50% decline in housing. In other words, the housing market is going to decline. It's going to drop in price about 50%. Now, in 2008, it did drop 62%. So are we coming up to some difficult times? What are we looking at? Well, basically, in a nutshell, I do believe we are coming into some difficult times, probably around end of 2024, beginning of 2025. You know, inflation hit us hard. You know, we're paying 30% more on groceries right now. Our money is tight and things are difficult for the general populace. You know, different things are up. They shot up for a while during COVID, did come down a little bit, but we're still seeing the pinch of that, right? Now, real estate. The one thing I do love about real estate, though, is how you invest. I don't recommend coming into this next year and a half investing in commercial. That you can look that up. That stuff's probably going to tank pretty hard. But when it comes to large multifamily real estate and or home, single family or small multifamily real estate, where are we at? Well, if you look right now, cap rates on homes are pretty minimal. So that's kind of a telltale sign that things potentially can get rougher. At the end of the day, though, if you have your money in real estate and the economy does tank, as long as you could hold on to that real estate, well, then guess what? The economy will eventually fix, whether we have a gigantic reset or we just print more money or whatever the government's going to do, they're going to do. At the end of the day, every 10, 12 years, we have these downturns. They're inevitable. They happen. It just depends on the severity of the downturn. When the market resets, it's going to go back up in price. It's going to appreciate, and you will get your money out of it. Your strategy might want to be, do some hoteling or some wholesaling right away, maybe some fix and flips right now so that you can churn some money before the economy takes a big dip. So you can do those things, right? That might be a good strategy because getting involved in something big that might be encumbersome on your budget that you might not be able to legitimately hold for long term, like an apartment complex, that might be a challenge, right? Especially if people are struggling paying their rents. So be careful of that. And then when the economy drops, wait and hold. It's going to be a wait and hold moment. So hopefully you're a part of a good fund. If you're using a fund to invest with, or you're investing into someone's real estate fund, you want to hold on to that. They'll want to hold on to that money and write it out, because when the economy tanks and then things begin to go back up, that's when people buy up massive real estate and make the most amount of money. We could legitimately see anywhere between a 400, 500, up to 1,000% return on your money when people buy everything, when the market has that downturn and as it starts to swing up. That's when you'll want to invest your money. So get your money into a potential fund with someone that you trust, or buy maybe a couple homes, rent them out. When the economy tanks, no matter where it tanks and goes to, know that it's going to come back up over time. Just make sure you can take care of that mortgage payment. That's basically it. I think real estate's doing pretty good right now, but it is going to have a downturn. Make sure that you save some money that you can invest in the uptick after that downturn, and that's when you can buy up a ton of homes. Hey, by the way, don't forget, down below, hit the subscribe button and go ahead and comment, because I want to know something. What is wealth to you? What does it mean? When you bring up wealth in any kind of scenario, you talk about money, people are like, well, wealth is not just money. I get it. So to you, what is wealth? I would like to give out a few shout outs. I want to hear your opinion, hear your thoughts. You have some cool ideas. My passion and desire for our team and our business is to really bring you some valuable information that's going to help you grow and scale and thrive in life. And so you'll want to look for more of our videos. So subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.